Brickell Men's Complete Defense, the anti-aging routine dermatologists don't want you knowing.
Ever catch your reflection, wondering when you started looking so exhausted? Most men hit that point where basic skincare fails. Fine lines deepen, dark circles settle in, and the mirror isn't friendly anymore. Maybe you've tried products that left you greasy or delivered nothing. It's frustrating when your face works against your confidence. Drop a comment if this sounds familiar.
Stress compounds. Deadlines loom. Sleep vanishes. Skin broadcasts everything. Colleagues look refreshed while you seem perpetually drained, even when you rest. Burnout marks your face first. Every product promises miracles but delivers nothing. What if you could take control without adding chaos or wasting cash? Imagine looking as sharp as you feel. That transformation is closer than you think.
Enter Brickell Men's Complete Defense Anti-Aging Routine, the natural skincare breakthrough rewriting every rule. This isn't another product stuffed with fillers and hollow promises. The routine delivers 4 precision-engineered essentials working in synergy: a potent vitamin C serum that tightens on contact with a satisfying tingle, an SPF moisturizer that shields without ghostly residue or breakouts, a restorative night cream packed with DMAE and MSM, ingredients dermatologists usually reserve for premium clients, and a restoring eye balm that literally erases evidence of sleepless nights. Here's how it saved one busy professional. He was dreading a major presentation, convinced his worn appearance would sabotage his credibility and undermine months of work. 2 weeks with the eye balm, colleagues asked if he'd been on vacation. The secret foundation? Aloe Leaf Juice replaces water as the base ingredient. Pure nourishment, zero filler. You'll notice the crisp peppermint-eucalyptus scent that energizes mornings without competing with cologne. Matte textures, instant absorption, no greasy aftermath. Stick around for the bonus trick at the end.
The efficiency gains hit immediately and undeniably. That SPF moisturizer protects against urban pollution and UV damage simultaneously. Critical defense for men over 35 navigating city environments daily. The night cream doesn't just moisturize, it actively repairs while you sleep, so you wake looking recharged instead of rough and worn. One verified user couldn't believe how his forehead lines visibly softened after 3 months of consistent use. He admitted he was initially skeptical about the investment, but the transformation made him a true believer for life. A men's grooming expert from a major lifestyle publication called it one of the most comprehensive anti-aging kits on the market for men ready to move beyond basic soap and water. And industry skincare analyst praised the ingredient density, noting most competitors lead with water is filler, while Brickell leads with Aloe Leaf Juice, justifying every penny of the premium price. Another user with notoriously sensitive skin raved, "Most natural products are way too oily for me, but this routine is perfectly balanced. My skin texture is noticeably smoother, my complexion genuinely brighter." The influencer consensus is clear. If you're investing in one kit to future-proof your face, this is it. Which feature would save your day? The wrinkle defense, dark circle eraser, or pollution shield? Comment below and let us know.
Thousands of men have already made the switch and aren't looking back. Stock moves fast because word spreads quickly when something actually works. Don't let hesitation cost you another month of looking worn down. Secure your Brickell Men's Complete Defense today and witness the transformation firsthand. Click now to unlock access. And here's your reward. Combine the vitamin C serum with the SPF moisturizer every morning for a double shield effect that keeps your skin looking sharp all day. Don't just watch, take action and reclaim your confidence today.